Today, I am going to show you how to create a Stickman animation in Canva using AI. It takes less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. Alright, first open Canva and select Video. Choose the size you want to work with. I'll go with landscape video, which is the standard size for YouTube. Now the first step is to add a stick figure. Go to Elements and search for it. Or you can use the AI image generator to create one. I'll enter a small prompt to generate a stick figure with AI. You can also find good options in graphics if you prefer that. Now let's generate. Canva will give us 4 different options to choose from. If you don't like any of them, just regenerate and get new options. I like this one, so I'll add it to the canvas. Now right-click on it and detach it from the background. Now let's make it animated. Go to Edit and click on Image to Video. Select Custom and enter the same prompt you used to create the image. Now click Generate. And Canva will convert your stick figure into an animated video. If you don't like the result, just regenerate and try again. And that's how you create a Stickman animation in Canva using AI. In just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials every week. And if you want to learn how to create complete stick figure videos where you can start a whole YouTube channel and make money from it, watch this video next. I'll see you there.